Welcome to Sparks Toyota. My name is Casey Cameron. I'm one of the sales and leasing consultants here. I'd like to take you out on our lot today to show you one of our new arrivals. Here we have a 2012 Honda CR-V EXL. It has a clean Carfax and comes equipped with power heated side mirrors, chrome trim, roof rails, privacy glass, and much more. Comfortable, enjoyable to drive, and packed with utility. The Honda CR-V is deserving of its status as a top seller in the compact crossover segment. This CR-V has 17-inch alloy wheels and all-season tires with lots of tread left. There's also a spare tire, splash guards, and a tire pressure monitoring system for convenience and safety. As you can see, this CR-V is in great condition. It has very clear multi-reflector halogen headlamps with an auto on and off, along with fog lights, daytime running lights, and a really nice chrome grille to tie it all together. Under the hood, you have a 4-cylinder, 2.4-liter engine with an automatic transmission. This CR-V has front-wheel drive, and it's estimated that drivers receive 26 miles per gallon on average. Let's not forget that this CR-V has only 57,445 miles on it. At the back of the CR-V, you can see the antenna, the spoiler, and the full-length tail lamps, along with rear wiper, large brake lights, and sleek chrome badging. Looking to the cargo area, you see that it's very spacious, and the back seats fold down easily for more space as needed. This cargo area also features a durable cargo tray, a cargo net, and cargo lights for packing or unpacking at night. In the back seat, you'll notice that this CR-V has been very well taken care of. Passengers can use the fold-down armrests with cup holders, as well as the seat back pockets. There are also child safety door locks for peace of mind. The front of the cabin is well appointed with nice chrome and metallic accents. Drivers will be very comfortable in the power, adjustable, and heated leather seating. You have a large console with storage, plenty of cup holders, and a power outlet. This CR-V is also equipped with a locking glove box, a security system, and door bins. Here are the easy-to-reach controls for the power side mirrors, the power door locks, and the power windows with the driver express up and down. This CR-V has a very comfortable tilting, telescoping, and leather-wrapped steering wheel with on-wheel controls for the cruise, audio, and Bluetooth features. It's also equipped with a very well-lit instrument cluster. Now here's a feature everyone can enjoy: the tilting and sliding power moonroof. The center stack is home to your multimedia features and is paired with 6 speakers. This includes your classic AM/FM radio with a CD player. It's MP3, Sirius XM, and Bluetooth compatible, and you can easily connect devices using the USB and aux ports. This advanced system even has speed compensating volume. You also have dual zone, automatic climate controls, and everything is very easy to use. Take a look at this backup camera. It's very clear and has guidelines to make backing up a breeze. If you have any questions, please give us a call at 888-272-5869 or visit us at sparkstoyota.com. Thank you.